everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Instaboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! In this video, I'll show you how to claim free Orbs on phone. Open Google Chrome. Now open Discord and log in. But also click the 3 vertical dots button on the top right, scroll down and make sure the desktop site is enabled. Right now it's enabled for me, but see what happens when I turned it off. It goes back to phone mode. I'll turn it back to desktop mode again, and now you'll get the PC version of Discord. Please make sure you're using Google Chrome only. Once you come to this page, go to Discover button. It looks like Compass. Now click Quests button. You'll find all the quests here that you can do, like avatar decor effects and orb ones. Now I tried my hardest to do Perplexity Comic Quest, which gives 5,000 orbs. But it is not possible on phone. You have to have a PC for this one. But worry not, there's another quest from Battlefield 6 that you can do from phone. In order to do this, just click Start Video Quest. A trailer will start. Make sure to stay on this page until the video is fully finished, otherwise it will pause. There's also a little green circle tracker. Once you finish the quest, you'll get an option to claim your quest. You need to do CAPTCHA test for that. And there we have it. We have claimed our 700 orbs. As for the 5,000 orbs quest, I tried my best to use all the tricks and hacks, but it was to no avail. Anyway, you can buy anything from the Orbs exclusive store with the orbs, even on your phone. You can get avatar and profile effects here. Even a 3-day Nitro. And if you want more options, just keep scrolling down all the way to the bottom and click Explore More. Here you will find more varieties. These are divided into paid ones and orb ones. There's a filter on the top right. Click Orbs Eligible and the decors that you can get from Orbs will be filtered out. Now you can get anything and don't have to pay money. Now if you want just avatar effect, you can select avatar option but keep Orbs Eligible enabled. This applies to every type of effect or decoration. You just need to select that in the filter section and you'll get it. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like it, hit the like and subscribe button for more Nitro and Orbs related guides like this, and join my Discord server. Also a huge shout out to Annie for letting me use her account for this video, since she doesn't claim Orbs.